Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw bullet bills from Mario step by step in an easy way. If you want that drawing something that you like, just follow the next steps. And now, let's go. First, we start drawing that eyes. Yes, only one eyes. That's gonna be the easier drawing for this week. Look at this, that's gonna be so easy. When we finish, it's time to the body, I guess. Look this, first we start drawing this. That shape is more like a triangle, and this make the line. Let me fix this. Okay, now if you want, you can move the paper to feel comfy. Okay, now that's gonna be the limit point. Now relax this line, and now the right one, like this. You can think it's like a house, like a bell, the shape. And now move the paper and connect this with that point, like this. Perfect. Now let me draw these two lines and connect the lines too, like this. Perfect. By the way guys, if you want done drawing something that you like, just go below and comment the name of the character that you want. I want to draw in all Mario characters in this channel. If you want, go and comment another name of Mario characters. Like I told you before, that's gonna be the easier drawing for this week, maybe this channel. Now it's time to the arm. You only have to follow that shape. Look at this. And now the feet. And almost done with this drawing. If you want, you can finish here, but in my case I want to draw in the mouth. But drawing the mouth is just like a mouth, I guess. I don't know that shape. Look at this. Now it's time to the teeth.